Okay, today we've got these in place. We're going to screw them together so they hold, and then 4 screws there, 4 screws here, and then down the road I'm going to buy some angle iron, which it's not going to be iron, it's going to be aluminium, as we say in the civilized part of the world, and aluminum in America. So to go underneath the angle to fit this, because this will then secure the bottom to the wall, because at the moment it's just floating on that rail up there. So I've got to get these screws first, and then you've got to mark them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those 8 screws are going to go in there, and we're going to drill holes up there and screw these in. So that's only a screwing exercise up there, so there's no need to film that because it's just drilling and screwing. Okay, but that's what we're going to do. And when I get the stuff together, I'll put the first one in, the first 2 I should say. Okay, then the camera girl can film that. All right.